let's just get straight into the battle. This is the finals, and we're going to start off with left spin. The left spin bay. Spurgen Requiem. If you guys notice here, this kind of almost looks like Arceus, the Pokemon. Looks kind of cool. But we're going to be doing attack mode, left spin. Alright. There we go, finally got it. Hitting back at each other. Ooh. Got some good hits. Both are wobbling. Will Requiem win, or will Vice win? A tie! Surprisingly, one click for Leopard, one click for Vice. Friggin' Requiem is beating up Vice Leopard. Ew. Can Vice Leopard survive? Another tie, surprisingly. Are these bays equal with power? It's kind of surprising to find out Requiem is as good as Chaozetsu. Alright then, let's finally get into the last battle. Good hits. Oh! Requiem won. This will be another battle to battle again in the future. So that'll be awesome. Or epic. I mean, it honestly surprises me how good he is. Alright, let's see if Garuda has what it takes to defeat the Vice Leopard. Come on, give me some attack action, Vice Leopard. Garuda is not budging while, well, both seem to be losing stamina. Garuda not as quickly, and Garuda wins! Garuda wins. Looks like in the future, Garuda will be battling Chaozetsu beys. Maybe I can make a Vice Leopard combo that can defeat those two. So far, if Kirbyus wins, I'm actually going to be surprised. Vice Leopard is getting some crazy. Oh! The left spin absorbing Emperor has no chance of defeating Vice Leopard. Will Fafnir be able to win? I don't know. I think not. Getting close here. A tie. If you're wondering what launcher I'm using my brother's custom launcher, Takara Tomy dual launcher, and metal grip. My launcher is like this, but it has rubber grips on it. Plus I have the sword launcher. Ooh, a tie again. This is getting interesting. Will Fafnir be able to beat Vice Leopard? Or will Vice Leopard come upon the victor? Leopard is going crazy, hitting Fafnir all around the stadium. Fafnir seems to be absorbing its energy. This is not good for Vice Leopard. Another time. We're going to do this one more time. This video is already going out as long enough as it should have. Comment down in the comments section which battle series you want to do next. I will be finishing my custom battle series of Archer. I will be finishing the Archer Julia battle series and the custom battle series soon. Another tie, I'm gonna say Vice Leopard won. Or you know what, we'll do one more time. But after this, it's Kirby's time. We're gonna be taking off the frame. Tie. Okay, so Vice Leopard won. It was 1-0 after a bunch of battles. Now it is time for the finale of this battle of Vice Leopard. This battle. The finale will be Guardian Kirby's. It is in lower mode, by the way. Guardian Kirby's is holding its ground so far. It's not doing bad, actually. Ooh, Guardian Kirby's won. One click, surprisingly. What's gonna happen? Guardian Kirby is somehow seriously, this is amazing. Its gimmick is basically it hits these right here. Doesn't even go in that far, but it came out top today. Looks like Vice Leopard bit off more than he can chew. See you guys next time for an awesome battle between this guy right here and how about Emperor Fornius? Yeah, we'll do Emperor Fornius. So these three have won against Vice Leopard. All these guys right here, these three remain the victor. So we will be doing more of with these of Chozetsu, since these guys proven to be so strong. So thank you guys for watching, and always like, subscribe, and have a good day.